Welcome back. We are diving into a new chapter where we'll start creating actual geometry. To get started, make sure you have opened the file geometry.dwg, which is already provided to you in the resources section of this video. You will notice this is the same office plan that we have been exploring, just renamed for this section. Before we draw a single line, you need to know how to move around in this space efficiently. First, ensure that you are in the Model tab located at the bottom left of your application window. If your screen looks like mine, you are in the right place. The fastest way to navigate is using your mouse wheel. In AutoCAD, your cursor acts like a target. I'll place my crosshair over here on this table. To zoom in, roll the mouse wheel up. Each click is a small increment. To zoom out, roll the mouse wheel back towards you. Now let's zoom in close to this table. To move the drawing without changing the zoom level, we use the pan. To pan, press and hold down the mouse wheel. You will see the cursor turn into a small hand. While holding it, move your mouse to slide the paper around. Release the wheel to stop panning and return to your standard crosshair. Then you can slide the mouse wheel up for a zoom and roll the mouse wheel towards you for a zoom out. If you prefer using menus or if your mouse wheel isn't handy, you can right click anywhere in the drawing area as long as no commands are active. In this shortcut menu, you will see pan and zoom. Select the pan option. You will notice the hand icon appears. Hold the left mouse button to grab the drawing and move it either to the left, right, top or bottom. If you would like to zoom it, again press the right mouse button and select zoom. Now keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the mouse upward, which will zoom in. And in the same way, keep the left mouse button pressed and drag it towards yourself and it will zoom out. To finish using these menu based tools, just right click again and select exit or hit the escape key from the keyboard. On the right side of your interface, we have the navigation bar, often called the nav bar. Look for the magnifying glass icon. This has a flyout menu. Click the small arrow to open the flyout menu. Here you will see a list of specialized zoom tools. One of the most useful is the zoom window. Click in one corner, drag the mouse to the lower right corner and click over there to confirm your zoom, and instantly your screen zooms to the width of your zoom window. Go back to the navigation bar and click on the magnifying glass icon flyout, and from there select zoom extents. This is your reset button. Click it and AutoCAD will automatically zoom out just far enough to show every object drawn in your file. Here's a professional tip. You don't actually have to click the nav bar for zoom extents. At any time, simply double-click your mouse wheel. This is the universal Show Me Everything shortcut in AutoCAD. Take a few moments now to zoom in on the desk, pan over the cabins, and double click on the wheel to zoom back out. Getting comfortable with these movements is the first step towards becoming a fast, effective AutoCAD user. I'll see you again in the next lecture.